today in Phoenix, Arizona, it's going to be 118 degrees. 118 degrees. So why not melt some stuff in my car? Okay, what do we have? We have some eggs, some chocolate, and why not just make a whole frozen pizza? Okay guys, we got pizza on the dashboard, ready to go. Come around to the chocolate in here in the inside, just chilling, already melting, so that should be fun. And then we've got our egg concoction back here on the rear side. So we're gonna close the doors and get to cooking. Now it's only about 99 degrees outside right now at 8 o'clock in the morning in Phoenix. So we got a little while before it gets to 118, but by the time it gets that high, this pizza will be ready. Okay guys, I'm walking to my car for the first time since earlier. The eggs are completely burned. The chocolate is melted, but it stayed in its form for the most part. Mama Celeste is looking crispy up there. Let's pull out the egg. Oh, the pan is hot. These poor eggs. The pizza is not even like pizza anymore, is it? It's really dried out. The cheese didn't really melt. So it's officially 116 degrees outside here in Phoenix, Arizona. You see the pizza freshly baked in my car. And it's just a little hot out here, so I'm gonna get in my car and turn on the AC. Thank you guys for joining me, and have a great day.